Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As a follow through to yesterday's video on the RSI and me trying to explain reasons why markets tend to have sudden sharp moves either down or to the upside. And so let's take a look here at another explanation in the same type of approach. So let's say this is just a group of numbers, and these are 14 numbers because the RSI generally is used with the RSI period of 14. So what I was trying to explain is if you have a mean for all this data and you have the mean, let's say the mean is X. If you are trading above the mean, the only way you can move from trading above the mean to trading below the mean, so now you're trading, so you move from above the mean to below the mean, is by introducing a large number into the mix. So by understanding that, you can use this also in the stock market, because for you to move from above the mean in one swoop to trade below the mean, you have to introduce a large number. And so if we take a look at yesterday's move, for example, take a look at the Nasdaq here. Yesterday the Nasdaq with the rest of the market had a big move. Why? Because it moved its daily RSI from above 50 and closed below 50. In other words, it moved its trading from the mean being above 50 to back below 50, and in doing so you have to introduce a large number. Now if you understand this, what tends to happen is if the market is coming closer and closer to 50, you can anticipate a big move that could take place in the market. Now today we see the exact opposite, which is the market is having a relatively nice open as we take a look at the Nasdaq here, moving back above 50. In essence, it is moving its mean from trading below the mean value, and in one day moving back and trading above the mean. So you have to introduce a large number even on the way up. Now, so we know that this could be a positive close with a nice move if the market can continue trading above RSI 50. Take a look at the S&P 500 or the Dow here. We can see that for now the Dow is also moving its daily RSI back above 50, which might be the technical reason why it is showing a nice gain for the day. And take a look at the S&P 500, and we can see for now the S&P 500 is struggling to hold its daily RSI above 50. So depending on whether it can move back above 50 or not, that would determine the magnitude of today's move in the market. So in conclusion, if you study the RSI, for you to move above or below 50, you have to introduce a large number in whatever time frame that you are trading. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Good luck, peace, and blessings. ESCS.